EMS helicopters save lives. However, in recent years, there has been an increase in helicopter EMS and HEMS accidents and incidents throughout the industry. Because of this increase in accidents and the high-profile nature of HEMS, there has been a spotlight and focus placed on the industry. Recently, helicopter pilots with roots in both HEMS and enterprise technology, including web development, have collaborated to create a new online product called Departures and Landings. Also known as DL.org, Departures and Landings is designed to be an enhanced online decision-making tool for the HEMS industry. In one place and within seconds, a pilot can receive a flight request with a flight already loaded by dispatch and then simultaneously be reviewed by an EOC weather manager, create the entire flight in seconds right from his or her base, compare each flight leg against weather along the route to include weather radar, METARs and TAFs, and even go as far as showing the lowest weather and highest terrain or obstruction elevation along the route, and coupled with that, be able to see the weather trend data for METARs for every station for the past 6 hours. In accordance with new AO21 rules or your company op specs, whichever's higher, compare the flight against both terrain and obstructions along the proposed route, as well as weather. Terrain and obstructions are presented in both list format as well as map overlay. The pilot can also view temporary flight restrictions and quickly see if they are new, active, or expired. At a glance, determine whether or not the flight is a go or no-go based on the route, weather, obstructions, and company or AO21 weather minimums, whichever is more stringent. Accept or decline that flight right from the interface. Announce a weather turndown or turnaround to either your company or all providers in your geographical region. DL.org is useful to more than just pilots. Maybe you're a dispatcher assigning a flight, an EOC manager doing risk assessment, or an area manager monitoring the current or previous day's flights. It is by design created to integrate everyone in your organization who participates in the process. Since DL.org is a web-based solution, there are no geographic boundaries which would stop an entire organization from sharing the same data, no matter how spread out the organization may be. In fact, the application not only works on any computer with a web browser, it even works on the iPhone, while in the field or away from the base. DL.org is secure and custom designed specific to your organization. Since your company's web interface is custom, you can even have your company name in the website address. Setting up a new user literally takes seconds, and the organization as a whole is set up in a hierarchy that makes sense to all: company, region, base, and then pilot. You could have a dispatcher or EOC manager in Colorado assigning a pre-built interfacility transfer to a pilot in North Florida. Both will be looking at the same exact information in real time. The time it takes to build this type of flight request and send it to the pilot is approximately 10 to 15 seconds. One city, one county, one state, or multiple states. It no longer matters how decentralized your organization is. DL.org and the internet bring everyone together on one page. At Departures and Landings, we'd like to thank you for viewing this presentation. If you would like to obtain more information about this revolutionary new product, please contact us at info@dl.org.